Good morning, children. Welcome to your maths class. Okay. I hope that all of you are fine and praying for the same. Okay. May God bless you and keep you all safe. Okay. So, as you know, we are doing the revision. That means what you have learned in the previous classes that we are revising. So, today's revision topic is subtraction. Okay, children, what is subtraction? All of you know them. In the previous classes, you have learned from the smaller classes, you are doing subtraction there. Subtraction, when we take away one number from another number, from a bigger number, we are subtracting a smaller number. That is subtraction, taking away, isn't it? In smaller classes, your teacher taught you like this. One boy had 5 apples and see like this. He used to draw like this apple there, isn't it, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this, isn't it? 5 apples there. And he gave 2 apples to his friend. And he used to cut like this, isn't it? From 5 apples, he gave 2 apples to his friend. How many are left? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 apples are left. Isn't it there? So this is subtraction. Okay, children? The same subtraction we are doing in the higher classes also there. In class 2, class 3, class 4, you have learned same subtraction only. But only the difference is the number of digit increases. The number of digits increases. There you have learned 1 digit number and later you have learned 2 digits, 3 digits, 4 digits like that. In class 4, you have learned 5 digits and 6 digits there. Isn't it, children? So 5 minus 2 answer is 3. That means when you take away 2 from 5, you are getting 3. That is subtraction. All of you understood? Okay. So another example I can give. 8 minus 1. What's the answer? 7. Very good. All of you are having the rough copy with you. You can write all the things there which what I am writing on the board there. Okay, children? And this is single digit number. If you take a 2 digit number, for example, 25 minus 12. 25 minus 12. What's the answer there? 5 minus 2, 3 there. 2 minus 1, 1 there. 13 is the answer. Isn't it, children? Copy down there. Next, 387 minus 145. Subtract them. All of you subtract. Nobody is supposed to sit like that. Everybody has to do that. Here you can see 7 here, 5 here. 7 minus 5, 2 here. 8 minus 4, 4 here. 3 minus 1, 2 here. Answer is 242. All of you got the same answer? Good. Now one more example. Here 1 digit, here 2 digit, here 3 digits. Now one more example I can give you. 2865 minus 1754. All of you do that. 2865 minus 1754. Very easy sum there. All of you try to do them. I can give you time for that. Everybody has to do. All are doing there. If you are doing, show me a thumbs up there. All are doing. Good. Very good, children. All of you have to do. Very easy sum it is, isn't it? 5 minus 4, 1. 6 minus 5, 1. 8 minus 7, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. How many of you got that answer? Very good. Congratulations. Okay. So when you subtract their children, it is important that you have to confirm that your answer is correct or not. How will you confirm there? Look here. See, 1 plus 4, 5. 1 plus 5, 6. 1 plus 7, 8. 1 plus 1, 2. This way you have to confirm that your answer is there. This way we are going to check the answer. What you are going to do there? Checking the answer. By adding these two numbers, you should get that first number there. Okay, children? Is it clear to you? Okay. Now, let us move to some more bigger numbers there. Okay. Let me rub it. Okay. One example there. 86459 minus 44256. 86459 minus 44256. 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. We have 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits here. So how will you read this number? 86,459 minus 44,256. All of you arrange it properly and subtract there. You know how to arrange there. If you don't arrange the numbers properly, you will get a wrong answer there, children. So, first number is there 8, 6, 4, 5, 9. So, you have to keep little gap here in between and arrange them. Okay. This is ones place. This is hundreds place. This is tens place. This is hundreds place. This is thousands place. And this is 10,000s place. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000s place. So when you take the next number, children, here 6 here, 6 in ones place, 5 in tens place, 2 in hundreds place, 4 in thousands place, next 4 in 10,000s place. This way you have to arrange there. Understood there? Now you can easily subtract there. Do there. All are doing there? Good. Okay. Done. Now see here. 9 minus 6. What is the answer? Say there. Good. 3 here. And 5 minus 5. 0 here. Isn't it? 4 minus 2. 2 here. 6 minus 4. Again 2 here. 8 minus 4. 4 here. 4, 2, 2, 0, 3. Isn't it? All of you got the same answer? If you got the same answer, show me like this, thumbs up. All are having? All are getting the same answer. Very good, children. And what is the next step there? You have to check your answer, whether the answer is correct or not. Okay, children? Even though you know that your answer is correct, still you have to confirm that. And another thing you have to confirm that is, you are writing the same digits here or not. Again and again, you have to confirm that. This number is here, this number is here. Sometimes instead of 59, 95 you will write there, then you will get a wrong answer. That also you have to keep in mind. Okay. Now let's check the answer is correct or not. 3 plus 6, 9. 0 plus 5, 5. 2 plus 2, 4. 2 plus 4, 6. 4 plus 4, 8. That means your answer is correct. Okay, children? Have you all understood? And one more thing you have to remember in subtraction is, here the number that from which we subtract, this is the bigger number, the greater. From this number we are subtracting the smaller number. The bigger number from which we are subtracting, that is known as minuend. Minuend also you can call it. Okay. And from which number we are subtracting, that means the bigger number, that is minuend or minuend there. And the number that we subtract, that is the smaller number. Okay, that is subtrahend. Understood? That is subtrahend. What is that called? Subtrahend. And when you subtract there, you are getting the answer, the result of subtraction, that is difference. Okay. So there is minuend, subtrahend and difference. And in subtraction, don't forget to put this sign. This is minus sign. Okay, children? What are the things you have to remember there? You have to make sure that you are copying down the numbers correctly. Same numbers, your digits you are writing there. And next thing is the place where you are putting the numbers. Understood? And after subtraction, you have to confirm that your answer is correct by checking like this. By adding these two numbers, you should get the first number. And make sure that your answer is correct. Okay, children? This must you copy down. Okay? All of you have done that much? Now let me rub this. And next thing we are going to revise is the properties of subtraction. Properties of subtraction. Right there, properties of subtraction. You have learned properties of addition there in the previous class, isn't it, children? So here also 2-3 properties are there that we have to discuss. All of you know that, still we have to revise there, isn't it? First property I'll write there, you also write. First property, if 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. If 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. What do you understand from that? I'll show you one example there. 5 minus 0. What is the answer, children? 5 itself, isn't it? That means you are subtracting 0 means you are not giving anything. 5 minus 0 means 5 chocolates you had and you are giving 0 chocolates to somebody. 0 chocolate you are giving to somebody means you are not giving anything. 0 means nothing there. So as it is, you are having 5 chocolates there. That is 5 answer is there. So same way, 25 minus 1. Sorry, 25 minus 0. Yes, I'm talking about 0 there. So 25 minus 0. So you are getting 25 only there. You are taking a 2-digit number there. And another 3-digit number we can take there. 281 minus 0. Answer will be 281 itself. We are not going to subtract there. If you know the property there, without subtraction, you can find the answer there. Same way here, 5 minus 0, 5, 25 minus 0, 25, 281 minus 0, 281. Why? Because if 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. Understood, children? Yes or no? So using this property, some fill in the blanks questions you will get. So easily you can answer there if you know the property. For example, I'll write one question here. All of you copy down. If the question is fill in the blanks, how will you answer there? 2815 minus 0. The simple straight way question there. What is the answer there? Very good. 2815 itself. Isn't it, children? Okay. So next one, sometimes question can be like this. 360751 minus dash is equal to 360751. Look here, 360751 360,751 here is there. Difference is the number itself. That means what will come here? By which number you have subtracted? Very good. 0 is there. That's why you got the same number as answer. Isn't it, children? So you are using the property there. Okay, children. One more type of question can come there. Dash minus 0 is equal to 421756. From which number we are subtracting 0 and getting the answer 421756? Got the answer, children? The same number there, isn't it? So here we are getting 421756. If you are having 421756, then only you are getting 421756 in the answer as difference there. So in the fill in the blanks, this blank you will fill there with 421756. So these three type of questions you have done using that first property. Okay, copy down there. Okay, done there. Now let's move to the next property, property number 2. So I'll write that property there. You also write. Second property, 1 subtracted from a number gives the predecessor of the number as the difference. Read that, children. 1 subtracted from a number gives the predecessor of the number as the difference. What is the meaning of that? Predecessor means what? Predecessor means the number just come before that number. Understood? You have learned that in the previous classes there. Isn't it? Predecessor. That means according to this, when you subtract 1 from a number, the answer, that means the difference is the predecessor of that given number. For example, 5 minus 1. When you subtract 1 from 5, what is the answer? 4. 4 is the predecessor of 5. You know that 4 comes just before 5. That is why 4 is the predecessor of 5. So without doing any subtraction, easily you can write the difference is 4 there. Same way, 28 minus 1. What will be the answer? 27. Isn't it, children? If you take a 3-digit number, for example, 315 minus 1. What will be the answer? 314. Okay, that's the second property there. If you subtract 1 from a particular number, the difference will be the predecessor of that number. Okay, is it clear to you? Good. So here also fill in the blanks question we can answer easily there if you know this. For example, I am writing 2-3 questions there. Look here. 3, 2, 8, 1, 7, 5 minus 1. What is the answer there? 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 like that. 3,28,175 minus 1. You don't have to worry about that number there, such a big number is there. You simply see there, what is here? 175. So predecessor will be 174. So easily we can write that 3, 2, 8, 1, 7, 4 there. Understood, children? We are not going to do the actual subtraction there. 3, 2, 8, 1, 7, 4 is the answer. Easily you can say. Clear? Another type of question you will get there. And here 4, 6, 8, 9, 1 minus dash is equal to 4, 6, 8, 9, 0. 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 46,891. Here it is 46,890. 890 you are getting as answer there. That means here this is 91 here, 90 here. That's the predecessor here. That means what number you have subtracted there? 1. Very good. Easily you can say you have to fill there with 1. Clear, children? These are the questions you will get there. Okay. And one more example I can give you. Dash minus 1 is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. 56,781. So what will be here? One more here. That is 56,782 should be here. Then only when you subtract 1 there, you will get 781 here. Here it should be 82. These type of questions you will get there. Okay. Without doing the actual subtraction, you can find the answer. Okay. Copy down them. Have you all done? Okay, let's move to the third property there. Let me rub this and I'll write the third property here. Okay. All of you have finished? Here some children are not writing anything, they are simply moving around. Sit properly, children. Sit properly and copy down. Do the sums there. Behave. It's a class there, you have to behave accordingly. Okay? Very good, children. Now, the third property. A number subtracted from itself gives 0 as the difference. What is that, children? A number subtracted from itself gives 0 as the difference. For example, 8 minus 8. 8 we are subtracting from 8. Suppose you are having 8 chocolates. You are giving 8 chocolates to your friend. How many are left with you? Nothing. That means 0. So when we subtract a number from the same number, 8 minus 8, answer is 0. So same way, 28 minus 28, 0 there, isn't it? 4268 minus 4268, answer is 0 here. So without doing any subtraction, you are answering there, answer difference is 0. Here also fill in the blanks questions you will get there like this. 2348 minus 2348. What will be the answer? 0 there. And 34871 minus dash is equal to 0. So to get the answer 0, what should you have to subtract there? 34871, the same number. Then only you get 0 there, isn't it? And another question there. Dash minus 87561 is equal to 0. To get 0 there, what number you have to write here? Same number, 87561. 87561 minus 87561, answer is 0 there. Understood, children, that third property? Copy down. Okay. These are the three properties. I hope that everybody has understood. Okay, children. So when see these all questions there, subtraction there. May I rub that? All of you are done? Okay. Here, children, when you get numbers like this to subtract, the arrangement of number is very important. When the number of digits are same, it's okay. There is no problem. But when the number of digits are different, for example, 37561 minus 350. So how will you arrange there, children? 37561 here, and hope that everybody has completed there. So 37561 that you have written there. And next now what you are subtracting? 350. 3 you cannot write here, children. 3 has its own place there. So start from here. 0, 5, 3. Clear? This way you have to write. In here, these places, there is no number, you can put 0. Why? Because before a number, you can put 0 there. There is no change in the value. Okay, children? Have you understood? Now find the answer there. 1 minus 0, 0. 6 minus 5, 1. 5 minus 3, 2. 7 minus 0, 7. 3 minus 0, 3 there. Check there. 1 minus 0, here is 1. 1, 0, 1 here. 1 plus 5, 6 here. 2 plus 3, 5 here. 7 plus 0, 7 here. 5 plus 0, 3 plus 0, 3 here. You check there. 1 minus 0, 1 here. So 1 plus 0, 1. 5 plus 1, 6. 2 plus 3, 5. 7 plus 0, 7. 3 plus 0, 3 there. Clear? That answer 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. 37,211 there. Understood, children there? So this way you have to be very careful. Okay, children? So that's all for today. I hope that all of you have understood them. Clear, children? All the properties you have understood. How to arrange the numbers you have understood. Is it clear to you all? Okay, thumbs up if you have understood everything. Have you understood this sum there? How to arrange? Okay. This you have understood. 1 minus 0 answer is 1. 6 minus 5, 1. 5 minus 3, 2. 7 minus 0, 7. 3 minus 0, 3. And after getting the answer, you have to confirm that. Check there. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 5, 6. 2 plus 3, 5. 7 plus 0, 7. 3 plus 0, 3. 37211. 37,211. Okay. Rest all we'll do tomorrow there. Okay. Bye. Have a safe day. Okay. Bye.